We have always looked up, to the stars, to the heavens. But what about down? What about the secrets hidden beneath our feet? The Earth holds mysteries as deep and vast as the universe itself. For centuries we have imagined what lurks below. Myths and legends whisper of terrifying creatures and fiery underworlds, of lost civilizations and unimaginable treasures. Science, too, has begun to unravel the Earth's secrets, and what it has found is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Imagine, if you will, a journey to the center of the Earth. We begin in the familiar world, soil, roots, the bustling life of the undergrowth, but soon the light fades, the air grows thick and still. We descend through layers of rock, each older than the last. The weight of the world presses down, the temperature rises, we are entering a realm of extremes. The Earth's crust, that seemingly solid ground beneath our feet, is but a thin skin compared to the vastness below. Beneath it lies the mantle, a layer of molten rock nearly 3,000 kilometers thick. Here, temperatures can reach thousands of degrees. The pressure at these depths is crushing. It is a place of constant movement, of slow, grinding forces that shape continents and fuel volcanoes. A place where life, as we know it, is impossible. Deeper still lies the Earth's core, a sphere of iron and nickel over 6,000 kilometers across. The outer core is a swirling ocean of liquid metal, generating the Earth's magnetic field. The inner core, however, is a solid ball of iron, hotter than the surface of the sun. This is the true underworld, a place of fire and fury. It is the engine that drives our planet, but it is also a reminder of the awesome and terrifying power that lies beneath our feet. Section 5. Whispers from the Abyss. We cannot see into the Earth's depths directly, but we can listen. Scientists use sensitive instruments to detect the faint tremors and rumbles that emanate from below. These seismic waves tell a story of a dynamic and ever-changing world. Sometimes these rumbles grow into roars. Volcanoes erupt, spewing molten rock and ash into the sky. Earthquakes rip through the ground, leaving devastation in their wake. These are the Earth's reminders that the forces beneath our feet are not to be trifled with. Section 6. Ancient Fears, Modern Echoes. It is no wonder that cultures around the world have long associated the underworld with fear and dread. From the depths of the Earth where light barely penetrates, to the mysterious caverns that echo with the whispers of the past, the underworld has always been a place of mystery and terror. Ancient civilizations, regardless of their geographical locations, have woven tales that reflect their deepest fears and anxieties about what lies beneath. The ancient Greeks told of Hades, a realm of darkness and suffering ruled over by the god of the dead. This underworld was not just a place of punishment, but also a domain where souls would reside after death. The Greeks believed that the journey to Hades was fraught with peril, requiring the crossing of the river Styx, guided by the ferryman Charon, and guarded by the fearsome three-headed dog Cerberus. The Norse believed in Hell, a cold and mist-shrouded underworld ruled by a goddess of the same name. Unlike the fiery hell of other mythologies, Hell was a place of ice and fog, where the dead would go if they did not die a heroic death in battle. The Norse sagas describe Hell as a grim and desolate place, reflecting the harsh and unforgiving nature of the Norse environment. These myths may seem like mere stories, but they reflect a deep-seated human fear of the unknown. The underworld, in its various forms, represents the ultimate mystery. What happens after death? It is a place where the living cannot go, and from which the dead do not return. This fear of the unknown is a powerful force, shaping our myths, our stories, and even our behaviors. A fear of the dark, the deep, and the things that may lurk within. This primal fear is not just about physical darkness, but also about the metaphorical darkness, the unknown, the unseen, and the unexplored. Even in modern times, this fear persists, echoing through our horror stories, our movies, and our nightmares. It is a reminder that no matter how much we learn and discover, there will always be mysteries that elude us, lurking in the shadows, waiting to be uncovered. Section 7. The Earth Bleeds. Even today, there are places on Earth that seem to offer a glimpse into the underworld. These places are shrouded in mystery and often evoke a sense of awe and fear. They remind us of the raw, untamed power that lies beneath our feet, waiting to be unleashed. Volcanic vents spew forth sulfurous gases and molten rock. These vents are like the Earth's pressure valves, releasing the intense heat and energy from the planet's core. The sight of molten lava flowing is both mesmerizing and terrifying, a reminder of the Earth's fiery heart. Geysers erupt with scalding water and steam. These natural fountains are powered by geothermal energy, shooting boiling water high into the air. The sheer force and heat of a geyser eruption can be both beautiful and dangerous, showcasing the dynamic nature of our planet. These are places of raw power, where the Earth seems to bleed from within. The landscapes around volcanic vents and geysers are often otherworldly, with vibrant colors and strange formations created by the intense heat and chemical reactions. And then there are the caves. These subterranean worlds are hidden from the light of day, offering a glimpse into the Earth's hidden depths. The formations within caves, such as stalactites and stalagmites, are created over millennia by the slow drip of mineral-rich water. Those dark, winding tunnels that burrow deep into the Earth. Exploring these passages can be both thrilling and claustrophobic, as the walls close in and the light fades away. Each twist and turn can reveal new wonders or hidden dangers. Some are home to strange and wonderful creatures, adapted to a life without light. These organisms have evolved unique adaptations to survive in the darkness, from bioluminescent bacteria to blind fish and bats that navigate using echolocation. Others seem to stretch on forever, their depths still unexplored. These vast underground networks are a testament to the Earth's complexity and the mysteries that still lie beneath our feet, waiting to be discovered by intrepid explorers. Section 8. Life in darkness. Despite the harsh conditions, life has found a way to thrive even in the deepest, darkest corners of our planet. Extremophiles, as they are known, are organisms that can withstand extreme temperatures, pressures, and chemical environments. These creatures challenge our understanding of what life is and where it can exist. They offer a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of life on other planets, perhaps even in our own solar system. Section 9. What lies beneath? The Earth is a living planet, constantly changing and evolving. Its surface is a dynamic canvas, shaped by the forces of nature over millions of years. From the shifting of tectonic plates to the violent eruptions of volcanoes, the planet is in a state of perpetual motion. These processes not only sculpt the landscape, but also influence the climate and life on Earth. And while we have learned much about its inner workings, there is still so much that we don't know. Geologists and scientists dedicate their lives to studying the Earth's crust, mantle, and core, yet mysteries abound. The deeper we dig, the more questions arise. What drives the movement of the Earth's plates? How do subterranean forces shape the surface we live on? What other secrets lie hidden beneath our feet? The underground world is a realm of darkness and mystery, where few have ventured. Caves and caverns stretch for miles, holding secrets that have been untouched for millennia. These hidden chambers may contain clues to the Earth's past, offering insights into the history of our planet. What new and terrifying creatures might we find? The subterranean world is home to a myriad of life forms, many of which are yet to be discovered. From strange cave-dwelling creatures to bioluminescent organisms that light up the darkness, the biodiversity beneath the surface is astounding. These organisms have adapted to extreme conditions, offering a glimpse into the resilience of life. The journey to the center of the Earth is a journey into the unknown. It is a quest that has fascinated explorers and scientists for centuries. As we descend into the depths, we encounter narrow tunnels and vast caverns, each step taking us further into uncharted territory. The deeper we go, the more we realize how little we know about the world beneath our feet. It is a journey that fills us with both wonder and fear. The underground world is both beautiful and eerie, a place where the familiar rules of the surface do not apply. The awe-inspiring formations and the eerie silence create a sense of otherworldliness. Yet, the potential dangers remind us of the risks involved in exploring such a hostile environment. But it is a journey that we must continue to take, for it is only by understanding our planet that we can hope to protect it. The research conducted in these underground ecosystems is crucial for our knowledge of the Earth. By studying these pristine environments, scientists can learn about the processes that sustain life and the impact of human activities. This knowledge is essential for the preservation of our planet and the well-being of future generations.